At Quicksurface, we offer two products, Quicksurface Lite and Quicksurface Pro. But what sets them apart? To start, both versions support importing files up to 100 million triangles. They also both feature our advanced mesh alignment algorithm, making it easy to align your 3D scans with precision. In addition, freeform modeling capabilities are available in both versions. Now for some key differences. Quicksurface Pro includes advanced segmentation algorithms for extracting primitives, making the process significantly faster and more efficient. "2D sketching is available in both versions, but Pro takes it a step further with automatic sketch assist. Auto-surfacing is included in both as well, though Pro uses a more advanced algorithm for a closer and more accurate surface fit. Quicksurface Lite does not support trimming, meaning you'll need to rely on external CAD software to complete your model. The rolling and unrolling feature is exclusive to Quicksurface Pro, allowing you to flatten complex shapes and easily remodel them as needed. Quicksurface Pro also includes the best hybrid modeling on the market, seamlessly combining prismatic and freeform shapes, giving you the freedom to create virtually any design. Additional Pro-only features include tolerance controls, chamfers, and fillets, ideal for producing highly accurate CAD models from your 3D scans. But if you're a professional engineer looking for a fast, all-in-one reverse engineering solution, choose Quicksurface Pro.